Hey innovators, welcome back to Makes It with AI. If you're on the hunt for the best Amazon KDP tool in 2024, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to answer a common question I get asked a lot. What is the best KDP research tool? I'll be sharing and comparing two of my favorite softwares that I use all the time, KDSpy and Publisher Rocket. So, let's get started. I've been using both of these powerful tools in my own self-publishing journey for years. So if you are looking for the perfect research tools to help boost your Amazon Kindle Direct publishing game and hopefully make more book sales too, then you're in the right place. I'm about to dive into what each tool offers. Whether you're a new author or an experienced publisher, understanding how these tools work just might be the one thing to help give you an edge in the competitive world of self-publishing. First up, let's talk about KDSpy. This is a tool designed for in-depth market research and competitor analysis. It is a Chrome extension that I've used for years in my own publishing program, but you can also use it with Firefox and Edge. It's perfect for authors and publishers who need to find profitable niches and keywords. Let's take a quick look at KDSpy Live. Right now, I'm in Amazon. I just wanted to give you just a quick introductory look at KDSpy. I won't go into great detail. This is not a tutorial. But for now, imagine I'm an author thinking about possibly making a horse coloring book for kids, and I am starting my research. So I come to Amazon, go to the books, and I type in my keyword. Here is the extension KDSpy. If you click on that, it will open up this box. And now you can see, here is the keyword I'm researching. When you open it up, you'll see lots of information. And it is pretty fast. You can see the sales rank, the average monthly sales, the average price, how many reviews, etc. Here's what KDSpy can do. KDSpy helps you analyze book categories, giving you insights into sales rank, number of reviews, monthly earnings, etc. This can help you understand which genres are performing well. You can track and evaluate your competitors' performance, which helps you identify what's working and what's not. Find relevant and profitable keywords by examining current market trends and competition. Keep an eye on specific books and monitor their performance over time. A cool new feature is its new integration with ChatGPT, giving you a bigger edge in your book research. KDSpy is a fantastic tool that's very simple compared to other KDP research software like BookBeam or Helium 10. One of the standout features of KDSpy is its one-time purchase fee, so you're not paying a subscription fee every single month. This makes it a great option for beginners or those on a budget. Plus, it is Mac and Windows compatible. Here's why I recommend it. It's straightforward and easy to use, perfect for those just starting out. The one-time purchase fee means no ongoing monthly subscription fees. It saves you a lot of time when doing niche research, helping you identify profitable book categories and keywords quickly. Now, let's take a look at Publisher Rocket. It is another fantastic KDP research tool that focuses on optimizing your self-publishing book marketing strategies. Publisher Rocket is known for its advanced features that help you with detailed tools to find high-traffic, low-competition keywords for your Amazon listings. Discover the best categories to place your book for maximum visibility and sales. Gain insights into your competitors' strategies and performance to find gaps in the market. Discover your rivals' sales, rankings, and strategies to better position your book. Evaluate your Amazon ad performance and get recommendations to optimize your ad campaigns. Save hours of tedious research with thousands of auto-generated keywords for your Amazon ad campaigns. Let's take a quick look at Publisher Rocket Live. Here I am in my copy of Publisher Rocket. As you can see, the setup is pretty easy to understand. You have buttons or text links that you can press. Take your pick. So let's click on Keyword Research and see what we can find. We'll type in our keyword and hit go. Then it will pull up all of this. The keywords are on the left, and if there's one you're interested in, just click on it. I'm going to click on a couple of these just so you can see what happens next. The information is really fast. You can see the average number of pages in the book, how many competitors there are for this keyword, the average price, average monthly earnings, average amount of searches, and more. Pay attention to the green, yellow, and red colors. Green is good. Yellow? That's kind of medium. Red is something you probably don't want to waste your time on. Inside the Competition Analyzer section, you can actually see the real books that other authors are ranking for on that keyword. You can also see the categories that they're in, the author, how long the book's been in Amazon, the BSR, and so much. If you're interested in learning more about Amazon ads, this is an excellent place to start. Publisher Rocket also comes with a lot of really helpful tutorials. There's also a free book ads course in here, for free, that is really excellent. So I highly recommend this software if you are looking for high-quality KDP research software. Publisher Rocket is divided into 5 easy-to-follow sections, making it user-friendly and efficient. It is great for authors who are already familiar with the basics and want to fine-tune their marketing strategies and improve their book's visibility. Plus, Publisher Rocket also comes with a one-time payment option, which I prefer over monthly subscriptions. If you're new to KDP or you're on a budget and want a simple, cost-effective tool to save time on keyword research, KDSpy is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners who need to start with the basics and provides comprehensive data with no monthly subscription fees. If you're ready to learn more about categories, competition, and keyword optimization, and you want to start or streamline your current Amazon ad campaigns, Publisher Rocket is ideal. It's suited for beginners to intermediate users who want to enhance their marketing strategies for their KDP books. Both tools are excellent for KDP self-publishing. Both tools have their strengths, and some users might find value in using both to cover different aspects of their publishing strategy. If you're just starting out, KDSpy might help you get a solid foundation, while Publisher Rocket can help you boost your marketing efforts once you're up and running. Both have risk-free trials, so why not try them out and see which one works best for you? If you found this KDP tool comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on self-publishing and book marketing. What do you think about KDSpy or Publisher Rocket? Do you already use one or both of these? Drop your notes in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.